Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm SQL in previous sessions, I have discussed about recovery models. So what is recovery models? Behavior of the logs is known as recovery model. So whenever we take the log backup, then log information will be protected if it is in full recovery model. In simple recovery model, we can't protect the log records, okay? But log information is returned to log file. But at regular intervals, log information gets truncated automatically. That means whenever a checkpoint occurs, what is checkpoint and all, I will be letting you know in my future classes. So whenever the checkpoint occurs, a log gets truncated automatically. This full recovery model, whenever we keep this, we can take the log backup, and if anything happens to critical databases, at that time we can restore the full backup, and log backup. If we restore it, there will be a minimal data loss. Here if we keep in simple recovery model, then there will be totally data loss. So here totally data loss means a lot of there will be lot of data loss, okay? Maximum data loss there will be there. So we'll be keeping these critical databases, very important databases, and production databases in full recovery model. In simple recovery model, databases will be using for dev database, testing database, and QA databases. So every time whenever the live server is there, we'll be keeping this in full recovery model to protect the logs, okay? So we can take full recovery model. We can take log backup. In simple recovery model, we can't take log backup. So only like all the logs will be protected in the trn file, that is log file, okay? Here we can't take log backup itself. So hope you might understood this. Now we'll be discussing about bulk log recovery model. So it is also same like full recovery model. So whenever we perform bulk operations, bulk insert, at that time we have to change the recovery model to full recovery model. As we go here, right click, properties, options, on the database I had to go right click, properties, and if you go here option, you will find here simple, right? We can change to bulk log recovery model. So now I change it to bulk log. Here whatever the transaction information is there, these are the transaction information. As you see, this will be fully logged if it is in full recovery model. Also in bulk recovery model, it behaves like same full recovery model for normal insights, updates, and all. Means it applies condition whenever the bulk insight, okay, developer is performing bulk operation, then we have to change to bulk recovery model where minimal information is logged. That means we have 1 crore records, like first and last records are there. No, in between that minimal information is logged, not full information is logged. So that's why we called it as bulk recovery model. So and also it behaves same like full recovery model for normal inserts and updates and deletes, okay? Whatever we do DML, data manipulation, right? So at that time it same behaves like full recovery model. But whenever the developer is doing bulk insert, we have to ask the developer if whether he is doing bulk insert, and then we can suggest him that to change this from full to bulk recovery model, okay? If you go to properties, then in option from full to bulk we can change it. If it is full, we have to change it to bulk. Before doing that, we have to take the database full backup, right click, backup, full backup we have to take, okay? Then if you click, and now we have to change it to properties, bulk log recovery model. We have to click OK. Then whenever the developer inserts from MS Excel, that is CSV file or MS Excel file, to this database here. So we can do that as well. I have shown you in security topic how to do that. I have that commands as well. This 1, 2, 3, 4 database also I can do it. I can go to this CSV file. You will find here table .csv. That file I can insert inside that, as I also previously shown. So whenever the developer inserts the 1 crore records, whatever the log information is there, that will be minimally logged. And then after the developer completes the operation, then we can go and change it to again to full recovery model. I click options. Here we can change it to full, and we have to click on OK. So why we do this bulk log means minimal information is there. For bulk log recovery model log, if we take log backups also, there is no much use also, because there will be minimal information. So why we do this means if we do this bulk operation in full recovery model, for example, then it will 1 crore records if is inserting, it will take a lot of time. For example, it will take 4 hours. For example, if we keep in bulk recovery model, then it might take 2 hours because of minimal logging. Okay. So that's why we will keep in bulk recovery model, and then if it is very critical database, production database, then we have to change the full to full recovery model. So like this we can manage. Okay. And login is done. It is applicable only for bulk insert. Okay, bulk recovery model. So whenever the bulk recovery model, any developer is performing bulk insert, then only we have to change at that time. If we keep in bulk recovery model at normal times also, then it will behave as a full recovery model. Normal insert, there won't be change in full and bulk log for normal inserts. Normal insert means I am inserting 4 records, 10 records, 20 records, like that. For an example, if we insert 100 crore record, 1 crore records, then it is bulk insert. So at that time the information will be minimally logged. At normal insert, it will be the log information will be fully logged. So another type of recovery model is there, that is pseudo simple recovery model. This means officially we have these 3 models only: full recovery model, simple recovery model, bulk recovery model. This is another type of recovery model which is unofficial, but it is in background. If we go to the database, if we go to properties here, then you will find only 3 types of recovery model in options. You see here only 3 types of recovery models. You won't see any pseudo simple recovery model. Pseudo simple recovery model means in background it will happen. Okay, how it happens? So here whenever I create new database, okay, DB2, I will go to options. I will check the recovery model here first. It is in simple. I will change it to full. Okay, I'm clicking on OK. Then right click, already database is created. Properties, again if you go here, if you click on option, then you will see here full bulk log, simple. You won't say pseudo simple recovery model. Okay, whenever you create the new database, at that time until and unless we take the full backup, right, it will be in pseudo simple recovery model. So if we won't take the full backup, then LSN chain won't start. This LSN number is there, no, it won't start. Okay. So what is LSN number? As I said, like first will be VLF number. This will be in hexadecimal, and second one will be log record, and third one will be actual LSN number. Okay. So I have explained this thing and all. before in log file architecture. So if you have doubts, you can go and check there. So another time, like for example now, another case we will find pseudo simple recovery. What case we can see means, if you go here, properties, like we will be changing to simple now, from full to simple. Okay. Now it is in simple recovery model. Other means in other case, if you go to properties, now we will be changing again to simple to full. Now also it is pseudo simple recovery model unless and until and unless you perform the full database backup, it will be in pseudo simple recovery model. Two cases, whenever the creation of new database, until and unless you take the full backup, it will be in pseudo simple recovery model. And another case, whenever we will change from full recovery model to simple recovery model, at that time also it will be in pseudo simple recovery model. We have to take the full backup again, okay, to become in full recovery model. If you don't do, then LSN number won't start, okay. So that's the reason we have to change, and it behaves like pseudo simple. So these things they will be asking in interview, so I am discussing about this. This thing is very important in interview. They will be asking 100%. So hope you might have understood this thing and all. Now I will be going to SQL Server Backup. What is backups, okay, and types of backups. Whenever the database crash happens, server crash happens, to restore from backups, we should have some backups, right, to restore. So that is the reason we'll be having backups. We are having three types of backup: full backup, differential backup, transaction log backup. So here full backup means all database backup. Everything will be having like data file, pages, a log file. Inside log file, what is there? VLF is there, log blocks are there, log records are there. All it will take the backup. Okay, full database backup. And we have differential backup, means whatever the data change is happening, consider here database, okay. It is on we are taking full backup on Sunday, okay, full backup 10 GB backup we have took here, and Monday we are taking, from Sunday to Monday we are taking 1 GB backup, from again from Tuesday, on Tuesday we are taking another differential backup, that is 1 plus 1 GB is equal to 2 GB. On Wednesday again we are taking differential backup, that is 2 GB plus 5 GB, 7 GB. Thursday again we will be taking differential backup, size is 7 GB plus 9 GB. Friday we will be taking differential backup. Every day we are taking one differential backups. Differential backup is nothing but the data changes, whatever it is happening. From full backup, from last full backup to current backup, it might be Monday or Tuesday, current backup till Friday, that is known as differential backup. So another log backup, as you know, like we will be taking hourly to protect the logs information. Here we will be having 1 hour, every 1 hour. In a day we will be having 24 log backups, okay. So you will be having logs protected in full backup whenever it is in full recovery model. Bulk recovery model, normal insert, updates, deletes will be having fully logged in a log file. So in simple recovery model, we can't have a log backup. We can't safety that log file. Okay, it will be truncated automatically whenever the checkpoint occurs at regular intervals. It will truncate. In differential backup, what is there means it is cumulative. Whatever we take from Sunday to Monday, Sunday to Tuesday, it is cumulative. Means, for example, you are taking from Sunday to Tuesday. Tuesday you are restoring, okay. The Tuesday differential backup, if you restore, then it's enough. Okay, if you are restoring Friday differential backup, whatever the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it will contain in Friday differential backup. That is known as cumulative. Okay, means also we have like has like same patches, SQL Server patches are cumulative. Same like that, differential backups are also cumulative. So whatever the changes happen from Sunday to Monday, that is 1 GB different data will be informed by DCM pages. This means whatever the changes are happening, it is means we can know from DCM pages. Okay, we can know from DCM pages where extents get modified. DCM pages, whatever the data changes happening, no, it is done by DCM pages.